How to buy the eufyMake E1 UV printer and save money. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the eufyMake E1 printer. So let's get into it. So here you can see I'm on the website, and you can find the link to the website in the description below. You'll also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply on your checkout page and save money. So make sure you check that out. Next, if you come over here, you can see at the top you got all these different options. Hover over to the product sections, and here you've got your UV printers. Then just simply hit this button right here. They only have one UV printer as of right now. So then you just simply hit the button, and then here just simply hit the best prices or grab mine at the top, and then it'll take you to this section where you can buy it. Then from here, scroll down, choose the bundle, so you can select whichever one you want, select one of the gifts or get one of the add-ons. And once that's done, just simply hit on the add to cart button or click on buy now. It totally depends on you. This is their maintenance gift. They give you that for free, and then hit the checkout page. You can see we already get almost a $300 discount, or 230. But you can see we already have a discount up to $200. So actually it's 239 or $240. And you can see right here, if you apply the discount code, which you can find in the description below, you'll save even more money. So there you go. Thanks. Fill out this form and then hit the continue to shipping button. Then just simply add the payment method and your shipping address, and you should be good to go. So it's as simple as that. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, take care and goodbye.